We're out here in eastern Montana, Otter County, coming in live. Yeah. Go Bobcats! Looking for the Bible link for the Audubon Society. Doing a little inventory. And yeah, I think we're in a real nice spot here, and I can't imagine us not seeing them today. Man, sorry about the black flies. Yeah, so stay tuned, YouTube, and join me, Carl, on this YouTube journey. Hey, tubers, we're here at the outfit, and I want to give you all the migratory pattern of the bobo link, that handsome mid-sized bird we checked in on in the beginning. Y'all know we're out here in southeastern Montana. Go Bobcats. But in the summertime, we find them handsome birds in the low mean Providence in China. Now you know where they're from. Let's go see where they're at. Let's go ahead and take a look at the features of this bird so we know what we're looking for out in the field. We love almost everything that flies around here. Oh, Richmond! We got a Corvette specimen here. Woo! Well, we got it out there and we saw a lot of birds. Join me next time on Carlin for Birds. And remember, they're all around us.